You have Gemini CLI open, Codex in another tab, a custom research agent running somewhere else, and you're doing what? Copy pasting between all of them like it's 2019? Databricks unveiled something that I think is genuinely underrated. It's called Omnigent. So, what exactly is Omnigent? Think of it as a meta harness, a layer that sits above all the AI agents you're already using. Omnigent wraps all your agents in a single unified interface. One line of config to swap your agent runtime. Your tools, prompts, and policies, they stay exactly the same. Databricks open sourced it under the Apache 2.0 license. Free, yours to use, extend, and contribute to. Omnigent is built around three ideas: compose, control, and collaborate. Compose means you can mix and match models and harnesses, combine agents without rewriting a single line of code. Control goes way beyond simple allow or deny rules. Omnigent tracks dynamic state across your session. And collaborate, this one's wild. You can share a live agent session via URL. Teammates can review files, leave comments, even send commands in real time. Your agents working directly becomes a collaboration hub. Now, why does it matter? Here's the real insight from the Databricks team. The frontier of agent engineering is moving up a level. We started with single models, then came agent frameworks. Now, enterprise teams are running multiple agents, multiple models across multiple teams all at once, and none of those agents talk to each other. Omnigen is the layer that makes them interoperable. They compare it with what Kubernetes did for servers, abstracting the complexity so you can focus on what you're actually building. If you're a developer juggling multiple AI coding tools, this is for you. And even if you are an enterprise running AI agents at scale, this is especially for you. Omnigent is available right now as an open source alpha, and a managed beta is live on the Databricks platform for enterprise users. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Are you already using multiple AI agents? Well, let me know in the comments which ones. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you like the video.